I started Reach High in 8th grade. Now I'm a undergraduate at the University of Scranton, going to be a junior, majoring in biochem with a pre-med track. Reach High was kind of like a doorway that I took to kind of push me into the medical world, because I knew that I wanted to be a doctor, but this kind of helped cement and solidify it. What I think about Reach High is that it's a great program, and I would very much like to see it get expanded, because it really is something great that kind of helps kids make up their minds about medical school, and it also just brings them into the science world that you don't only have to be a doctor, you could be a physician's assistant, nurse practitioner, a physical therapist, health administrator, and get into medical school. It really showed that anybody can do it, and all you have to do is set your mind to it. So if you invest in Reach High, you're definitely investing in a better future for everybody. Looks great on a college application, and it really does just do a lot for you as a person, as a student, and as a part of the community.
I was 14 when I first heard about Reach High, and I was really curious of what it was. I always thought about going into the med field, but I really didn't know what the med field had to offer until I decided to apply to the program. Because of Reach High, I had opportunities that I never thought I would have. We get to work all over. We get to work in the cancer center, we get to work in the lab, and it's kind of showed me what I like to do in the hospital. When you're coming to be a senior, you always get that question from your parents: what do you want to be? Where do you want to go to school? What do you want to major in? And because of Reach High, you know you want to go in the med field. I would consider myself an example of the program working. My friend and I have almost taken up every opportunity that this program has offered us, one of them including the volunteering, because I've never heard of volunteering until I came to Reach High, and she mentioned the Geisinger volunteering to us, and my friend and I were like, oh my gosh, we want to do this, and we've just had a great time since then.
Well, ever since I was young, I had an interest in the brain. Like, something about the brain always sparked an interest. Like, I just didn't know how it functioned. Like, I just didn't know what it was. And when I first came here to this program, Reach High, I didn't know what to expect, and it's helped me further understand. I think it's beyond investment. I think that this program should be something that should be ran across the nation, because I want to be a neurosurgeon. It's a big dream. And I think I have the aspiration and the work ethic to do it. I think Reach High is one of the reasons why I'm so eager to achieve this dream of mine.